Good morning, everyone. Welcome for today's private conference for Civil War, April 2, 2024. The project as follows. 24J001, 24J008, 24J002, 24J0149, 24J0174, 24J0188, 24J0223, 24J0226, 24J0227, 24J0228. Also, please be informed that we are being live streamed via YouTube channel, Aklan DEO Procurement. Also, in addition, please be informed that the project ID 24J001 is subject for cancellation due to some revision of uh, revision of stationing and target, and this is also for under for modification. Before we start, let us have our opening prayer to be led by Mama Arlan.
Let us pray in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Lord, thank you for this wonderful time as we gather in your name, as we conduct our pre-bid conference. Guide us, Lord, and help us to be able to understand and follow the government procurement reform to achieve the objectives of this undertaking. Creating us, O Lord, we desire to be more dedicated and committed to our duties and responsibilities. Teach us to be more responsive to demands of integrity in public office. This we ask through your Son, Jesus Christ, our Lord. Amen.
Thank you, Mama Arla, for the determination of economy for Ray Bernier.
Okay, thank you, sir. And once again, good morning. Before we proceed to our public conference for civil works, let's first go to our back members who are present today. Let's start from our chairperson, Vivian Nalida. Our vice chairpersons are Nat Baglis.
Present.
Also, our two regular members, also around, let's start from Ibigit Alabela. Mama Arla representation, Sir Joey Oreta. Our provisional member, Sir John Liet also, So almost 100% of our bank members are present today. So I declare that it is a quorum and the Blue Conference for Civil Works can now proceed. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Bernier. To proceed, let me call on the technical personnel from Planning Design section to discuss detailed description of the project.
Good morning, everyone. For the contract ID 24GA0008, the Tigbao Bridge B000285PN along Aklan East Road with an ABC of 19,600,000 and a project duration of 172 calendar days. It includes the construction completion of bridge widening at PS area is equals to 349.6 square meters, erecting of bridge abutment B at RS with two board piles diameter is equals to 1.2 meters and a total length of 30 linear meter, widening of bridge approaches with a total length of 303.15 linear meters and a width of 3.35 meters. This is the location map of the Tigbao Bridge as well as the layout plan and the vicinity map. This is the general plan of the bridge and the general elevation. For contract ID 24GA0026, access road from Makato proper to Hagachac leading to Baybay Beach and Alibagon Bakhawan Park, Makato, Aklan, with an APC of 14,600,000 and a project duration of 107 calendar days. It is the completion of bridge and or bridge approach equal to 256.2 square meters, thickness of 0.3 meters, and installation of 16 units, solar lamps, 16 unit chevron signs. This is the location map, the layout plan, and the vicinity map. As shown is the typical super elevation of the road section and the typical road section 1, 2, and 3. This is the
Good morning, everyone. Project ID 24GA0149, construction of multi-purpose buildings in Mangga, Barangay Torralba, Banga, with an APC of 4,950,000. Project duration is 150 calendar days. The scope of works is the construction of 14 units of column and footing, 12 units of roof beam, 6 spans of roof equivalent to 512 square meter of pre-painted metal sheets, with 7 units of full truss, 6 units of center strut beam, 12 units of middle strut beam, and 12 units of side strut beam. Bleachers on both sides equivalent, gutter flashing, plastering, and painting works. Showing on screen a perspective and location map, the floor plan, the right and left elevation, the section, the front elevation, and spot details. For the project ID 24GA0174, construction of multi-purpose building in Municipality of Malay, Aklan, with the APC of 5,197,500. The project duration is 150 calendar days. The scope of works are the construction of concrete bleachers, slab and stair going to front and rear balconies painted, finished, and complete with stainless railings and rail guards. Construction of facade with plastering and painting works, including the installation of decorative stones, aluminum louvers, and aluminum metal cladding and eaves. Installation of roll-up doors at rentable spaces and installation of fiber cement ceiling and swing glass door and windows at support office. Note, existing columns supporting the extended roofing should be removed prior to the construction of concrete features. Showing on screen are the perspective and location map. The ground floor plan showing the scope of works. The second floor plan, the front and rear elevations, the left and right side elevation, the sections,
for the contract ID 24GA0188, construction completion of multipurpose building Unidos, Nabas, with an APC of 1,980,000 and a project duration of 90 calendar days. It is a project duration, 90 calendar days. It is the construction of viewing deck with 9 units of footing, 14 units of column, with tie beams, floor beams, roof beams, and slabs as shown in plan, equivalent to 4 column-to-column spanning of the covered court. Roofing works includes the fabrication of 9 units of steel truss anchored to column or beam with steel plates and with 99 square meter of pre-painted metal sheets. The structure is also fully plastered. As shown is the perspective and the location map. The foundation plan as well as the section details of the footing. This is the beam layout and the details for the column and the two-way slab.
For project 24GA0223, construction of 3-story, 6-classroom school building in Balete Integrated School, Barangay Poblacion, Balete, Aklan, with ABC of 31,342,500. Project duration 205 calendar days. Scope of work: complete construction of 3-story, 6-classroom school building with micropiles foundation, with excavation, with stair wall 5-meter width, steel casement with window at the rear portion with security grills for the front jealous with windows, steel jump and wooden jump. Will be converted to concrete jump. Complete plumbing sanitary works with overhead tank and centrifugal pump with control. Complete electrical works with fire protection system, CCTV system, and demolition of existing pole with additional embankment excluding transformer. On screen are the table of contents and perspective. The second floor plan and ground floor plan. The ground floor plan with complete rooms and third with home economic room. Ground floor plan with science laboratory room. Roof deck floor plan and third floor plan. Front elevation and roof plan. Left and right elevation and rear elevation. For project ID 24GA 0226, construction of 3-story, 6-classroom school building in New Washington National Comprehensive High School, Barangay Poblacion, New Washington, Aklan, with ABC of 31,342,500. Project duration 205 calendar days. Scope of work: completion construction of 3-story, 6-classroom school building with micropiles foundation, with excavation, with stair wall 5-meter width, steel casement window at rear portion with security grills for the front jalousie windows. Steel jump and wooden jump will be converted to concrete jump. Complete plumbing and sanitary works with overhead tank and centrifugal pump with control. Complete electrical with fire protective system, CCTV system, and demolition of existing rooms, excluding transformer. Here shown the perspective and table of contents. Second floor plan and ground floor plan. Ground floor plan with computer room and with home economic room. Ground floor plan with science laboratory room. Roof deck floor plan and third floor plan. The front and front elevation roof plan. The left, right, and rear elevation.
For project ID 24GA0227, construction of 3-story, 6-classroom school building in Maloco National High School, Barangay Maloco, Baybay, with an ABC of 31,342,500. The project duration is 205 calendar days. The scope of works are the complete construction of 3-story, 6-classroom school building with micropiles foundation, with excavation, with stair wall 5-meter width, steel casement window at rear portion with security grills for the front jalousie windows, steel jump and wooden jump will be converted to complete jump. Complete plumbing and sanitary works with overhead tank and centrifugal pump with control. Complete electrical works with fire protection system, CCTV system with additional site excavation and tree removal excluding transfer. On screen, the perspective on the table of contents. The second floor plan, the ground floor plan option 1. The ground floor plan option 2, and the ground floor plan option 3. The ground floor plan option 4. The roof deck floor plan, the third floor plan, the roof deck floor plan. The front elevations and the roof plan. Right and left elevation. The project ID 24GA0228, construction of two-story, four-classroom school building in Kamalikan National High School, Barangay Kamalikan, Batang, Aklan, by the ABC of 15,671,250,000, with a project duration of 170 calendar days. The scope of works are the complete construction of two-story, four-classroom school building with stair wall, 5-meter width, steel casement window at rear portion with security grills for the front jealousy windows, fire protection system, overhead tank and cistern, excluding painted works at CR and stairs, exterior wall and wall railings, side walls, end wall of roof, parapet wall and reinforced concrete block. Showing the screen are the perspective and table of contents, the roof plan and the roof deck plan, the second floor, reflected ceiling plan, and the ground floor, reflected ceiling plan, the front elevations and the rear elevation, the sections,
So, any clarification or question regarding the detailed description of the project? So, if none, let us proceed. Thank you, time design section. As stated in our BTV, prospective bidders should be one, registered with and classified by the Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board or PCAB with PCAB license category. This will vary for the amount of the project. The description of eligible bidder contained in the bidding documents, particularly in Annex 2-1.1B, Section 2 and 3 of the bidding documents. Contractors applicants who wish to participate in this bidding are encouraged to enroll in the DPWH Civil Works application or the CWA at the DPWH Procurement Service, P-Floor, DPWH Building, Bonifacio Drive area, Manila. While those already enrolled shall keep the records current and updated. The contractor's eligibility to bid on the project will be determined using the DPWH Contractors Profile Eligibility Process or the CPEP and subject to further post-qualification. Information on registration can be obtained from the PRS during working weekdays from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. or at the DPWH website www.dpwh.gov.ph. For GPPB Resolution number 15-2021, prospective bidders are required to upload and maintain current on the following eligibility documents in the PGIPS. Letter A, registration or certification from SEC, DTI registration. B, mayor's or business permit or its equivalent documents. C, tax clearance. D, PCAB license and registration, and for the E, audited financial statement. Any expired documents among the aforesaid eligibility documents shall render the PhilGIPS Platinum Registration Certificate as automatically suspended. In its validity shall resume only once the said expired documents is already updated with the PhilGIPS. So consequently, the prosecutor should maintain an updated and current PhilGIPS Platinum registration and membership in the Civil Works application prescriptive. Prospective bidders will with expired eligibility documents and have not yet updated the record in the CWA are advised to attach their newly updated platinum registration and membership certificate in the technical bid documents and not the updated particular eligibility class A document to be considered eligible by the bids in our committee. Only the following documents are required from the prospective bidders prior the sale of bidding documents to A government issued ID or company ID. B. Authorization letter if not authorized liaison officer in the WA. Example, special from the attorney for sole proprietorship. So, for the C, letter of intent for the foreign funded project. Bidding will be conducted through open and competitive bidding procedures using non-discretionary pass or fail criteria as specified in the 2016 revised implementing rules and regulation of the Republic Act 9184, otherwise known as the Government Procurement Reform Act. The contract shall be awarded to the lowest calculated responsive bidder or was determined as such during post qualification. A complete set of bidding documents may be acquired by the interested bidders on March 6, 2024. Okay, so March 26 until April 15 from the address below and upon payment of the applicable fee for the bidding documents. It also may downloaded free of charge from the website of the Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System or the PGIPS and the website of the procuring entity, provided that the bidder shall pay the applicable fee for the bidding documents not later than the submission of the bids. Bid submission may be done manually or electronically online. However, bidders should only select one mode of submission, either manual or electronic. Bids must be duly received by the back secretariat at the address below for manual submission or at electronic bids underscore Aklan and database.gov.face for electronic submission on or before April 15, 2024 at 8 a.m. All bids must be at 10 a.m. All bids must be accompanied by a bid security in any of the acceptable forms and in the amount stated in the ITB, close dated. Bid opening shall be on April 15, 2024 immediately after the deadline of the submission of bids. Bids in our committee conference room, Aklan District Engineering Office, Aklan. Bids will be open in the presence of the bidders representative who choose to attend at the address below. Late bids shall not be accepted. The Aklan District Engineering Office, Alibagon, reserve the rights to reject any and all bids, declare a failure of bidding, or not award the contract at any time prior to contract award in accordance with the Section 41 of the Republic Act 9184 and its implementing rules and regulation, without thereby incurring any liability to the affected bidder or bidders. Any clarification? So, if there is none, the previous conference for civil works is hereby adjourned. Thank you.